Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the CDN release you need, then immediately add the style sheet link into your page head so icons load before render. Once done, include integrity and cross-origin attributes when available to improve security and caching. Make sure to avoid local installs. The CDN delivers optimized files and progressive updates. After inserting the link, refresh and inspect the Network tab to confirm the CSS file is requested and returns 200. That proves the first step worked. Next, build your markup using the exact class patterns the CDN expects, because the CDN serves CSS and SVG that map to specific prefixes. Once you type iClass equals fastfotcheck/I or insert the SVG markup, the style sheet from the CDN maps styles and font files automatically. Make sure to pick the right family, for example solid versus brand icons, because mismatched prefixes show empty squares. If you use JavaScript features, defer it to avoid render blocking and preserve perceived speed. Finally, verify icons on different devices and test offline behavior to ensure your CDN integration is robust. If an icon fails to appear, open DevTools and look for 404, CORS, or MIME type errors. That tells you whether the link or headers are wrong. Make sure to clear cache or append a version query when upgrading, because stale CSS can hide new icons. And if the CDN is blocked in certain environments, have a local fallback copy ready so your UI stays intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.